Hey everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome back to Prepper Watch, the news and reporting arm of preppingcommunities.com. I'm super glad you're here. Whether you're a seasoned prepper, you're just getting started, you are in the right place. And if you are into prepping, homesteading, and staying on top of the news and awareness that may impact you, your family, or your community, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a report. So today's video, I just wanted to focus on 5 essential skills that I think every prepper should have and where to actually learn them. I am not an expert in all of these, but I wanted to share these sources with you today because I really like the idea of learning at least 5 solid skills. And honestly, these videos do a great job in breaking them down, in my opinion. They're super useful if you're looking to get hands-on and actually do the things that we talk about all the time in the prepping world. So from primitive fire starting to fermentation and food preservation, these are the skills that move you from thinking about being prepared to actually being prepared. They're not expensive to learn, but they do take time and a little patience and a willingness to get your hands dirty. You know, at the end of the day, not all of us are super prepared, or should I say, like, have a high level of expertise. So when it comes to preparedness, so this is exactly why I wanted to create this video. It's a starting point, a place to begin learning, testing, and building confidence. And these videos, I think, are a good stepping stone to help you move from curiosity to capability. So let's start with skill number 1. Water purification. I really like City Prepping. He has a great channel that covers a lot of aspects of prepping. And let's face it, water is everything in an emergency. So if you don't have clean drinking water, nothing else really matters. So being able to purify your water without modern tools is a must. And this video by City Prepping is one of my favorites. He walks you step by step on how to make a DIY water filter with stuff you probably already have in your home. So it's super clear, no fluff, just practical survival info that anyone can follow. So I'm a big fan of his channel. Check it out, City Prepping. And honestly, it's a great starting point if you're new to water preparedness or you just want to level up your skills. So then the second skill, basic first aid. I went to Got Safety. Medical help might not be available when you need it most. So that's why basic first aid, it's kind of like non-negotiable. And this video breaks down exactly what to do in different situations, choking, burns, heart attacks, you name it. It also goes into things like how to assess a scene, perform CPR, and respond when someone's unresponsive. Even if you're not medical minded like me, the way that they explain it is really easy to follow. So again, keep a kit at home, keep one in your bug out bag, and most importantly, know how to use it. And then the third one, fire starting without matches. Green Belly has a great video on how to start fires without matches, because let's be honest, matches get wet and lighters fail, batteries die. So in this video, Green Belly runs through 12 different ways to start a fire without traditional tools. Ferro rods, flint and steel, friction fire, stuff like that. It does sound intimidating at first, but once you try it, it starts to make sense. It's just one of those must practice skills, and this video gives you a great place to start. Then map and compass navigation. So I went to Coal Cracker Bushcraft. Again, another really great channel to follow, because when the grid goes down, so does GPS, and that's where your map and your compass come in. In this video, Dan from Coal Cracker Bushcraft explains the difference between grid north, magnetic north, and true north without making it overwhelming. Seriously, like if you've ever looked at a topo map and gotten confused by declination, this clears it up. Take some time to practice orientating yourself in your area. Get comfortable finding landmarks, taking bearings, and making decisions without a phone in your hand. And then the last one, I think, is like food preservation. You can stockpile food, but learning how to preserve it takes you to the next level. So I went to Pro Home Cooks, Life by Mikey G. He's got another really great channel, and in this video, he shows you 11 different food preservation techniques: pickling, drying, fermenting, smoking, canning, and more. And if you grow your own food or even just want to extend the shelf life, this video is packed with a ton of helpful info. His approach is super encouraging. He's all about finding your own cooking style as well and making real nourishing food for your family. So definitely worth checking out. So there you have it. 5 skills that every prepper should start learning and practicing now. These are hands-on, practical, and will absolutely make a difference when things go sideways. So if this video helped you, give it a like and drop a comment below. I'd love to know which of these skills have you practiced and what did you learn. Also, please head over to preppingcommunities.com and prepperwatch.com. You can join local or topic-based prepper groups. You can create your own group, share what's happening in your area, learn from other preppers and homesteaders. You could add your own Prepper Watchman Report, and on that I see that you, a couple of you or a few of you are starting to add your own reports, which is fantastic. So I'd love to hear how you find that process. Did you find it easy or did you find it difficult? And get real news free from censorship. And our Prepper Watch community is growing every day thanks to all of you. We're very, very grateful. Your information helps us keep one step ahead. And remember, membership is free. So that's it for today, guys. This is Tammy from Prepper Watch. Stay alert, stay informed, stay prepared. And whatever's coming your way, Prepper Watch, we have got you covered.